Start of the week and I am cleaning out the fridge for the weekly shop that we just did. Some of these drawers I've allocated for the kids things too. For my son's work, he gets his own stuff for work and things, and my daughter, she gets things as well on her own. So we have like different trays for them as well. It just works a bit better. But this is the vegetables all done, and then onto the other trays, which this is my son's one that I've allocated for him. Just stacking up his things that he's just got, his yogurts and things for his work. And also he gets like meals and little snacks. But I just find this really handy to have their own like kind of tray thing that they can just find their own stuff there. The second tray, just wipe that out and then putting the meat for the week in there also. And the top shelf, just wiping that out as well. And that is for like butter and things. And the bottom tray here, just wiping that out and stacking back the milk and things. And yeah, I've all done now. Now just putting the pasta away for the pantry here. And now here, just the rice as well. Taking Bear and Paris out for a quick little walk. And that's just a little bit of my morning for the start of the week.